Yesterday, I don't know whether una listen to Governor Wike of Rivers State. He talk say our president Muhammadu Buhari gave all the Niger Delta states plenty money wey PDP order Obasanjo from 1999. He no gree give them, and that wetin they collect. Even Edo State got more than 100 billion. If Edo get 100 billion, data, make una go ask Okowa, go to Asaba. Wait. Say, Okowa, Your Excellency, your executive governor, the hopeless presidential aspirant, vice presidential aspirant, did you hear wetin Wike talk, your brother from Rivers? He talk say data got over 250 billion naira. This is not from federation account, from areas of derivation. Okowa talk say if they take you build over flyovers, we go ask Okowa our own. First, you know, announce to us say you got this money. You got over 250 billion. You got over another 60 billion for the fund of federal roads. You collected 10 billion to pay salary arrears, another 10 billion to pay workers' pension. Okowa, how come? They tell women, elderly, I saw them crying in Asaba. So, you don't want to pay us. You want to make me dead.
Oshiomole said that Buhari gave Okowa 250 billion naira for Delta State. He said that the money is from the areas of derivation. Here, the principle of derivation in politics, particularly in Nigeria, is a fiscal federalism mechanism where a portion of national revenue, at least 13% as mandated by the 1999 Constitution, is returned to states based on the resources extracted from them. It serves as compensation for ecological damage and enables development in producing regions. Key areas and aspects of the derivation principle include natural resource revenue, primarily applies to oil and gas, but also covers solid minerals and hydropower. Compensation for exploitation, designed to compensate states for environmental degradation, pollution, and loss of livelihood, and many more. Na these areas of derivation na dey carry give Okowa, where Okowa chop so. Oshiomole is saying that Okowa diverted that money to his pockets. Oshiomole said that Okowa got another 60 billion naira for refund of federal roads. He said that Okowa collected 10 billion to pay salary earners, and he collected another 10 billion for workers' pension. He said that after Okowa collected that money, that he saw elderly women that are pensioners crying in Asaba that Okowa should pay them their money. The total amount of money that Oshiomole is saying that Okowa pocketed is 330 billion naira. He thought say Okowa carry this money put for him pockets. Oshiomole said that Okowa did not tell Delta State that he got all this money from Buhari. Is Okowa the kind of person that we Delta Northerners deserve for Senate in 2027? No. Those people in Anyama land that are campaigning for Okowa, look at the kind of person that you people are campaigning for to go and represent us in the Senate. With the atrocities that Okowa have committed against Delta States and against Delta North, Okowa is supposed to be in prison as we speak. This one na the one where we know. Talk more of the ones where we never hear of. Talk more of the ones where we say we don't know where he don collect already. The EFCC arrested Okowa for stealing 1.3 trillion naira. Just imagine that kind of money. We never talk of the 1.3 trillion naira where EFCC talk say Okowa steal. Now Oshiomole dey talk say Okowa steal 330 billion naira. Those Okwana people that want Okowa to go back to the Senate, now this kind of person I want to make you represent Delta North. If you be Okwana person and you dey support Okowa to go back to Senate, then stealing dey una family. You get the blood of thief, like for una lineage una dey thief, because na only thief dey support thief. If you be Okwana person and you come from my community Ogume and you dey support Okowa to go back to the Senate, if you be from Umuchime, I no sure say you come from the Umuchime where I come from, because for Umuchime we not the thief. For Umuchime, our lineage never record an event of stealing before. So if you be Umuchime person and you dey support Okowa, then na carry you come from another place come join Umuchime. You are not a true son of Umuchime. If you be say you be all those people where they carry come Umundewe Pasani, maybe your mama go Yariba land, born you come. Maybe she go Bini land, born you come. She carry you from another place, come Umuchimo Gume, come stay. So you carry that blood of your fathers where they thief. A true Ogume son will never support Okowa to go back to the Senate. See bad record where the man gets. Yet you go see some Okwane people online. They thought say instead of Senator Nedwoko to carry us to the southeast, let us remain in Delta State. We will support Okowa and remove Senator Nedwoko from the Senate. You dey find person go remove Senator Nedwoko from Senate, e can't be Okowa wey get bad record. Are you not ashamed of yourself? E can't be say na Okowa where e be say he don go Senate for 4 years before. He don become governor of Delta State for 8 years. Okowa don occupy so many positions for Delta State and for Anioma land. Yet, na that same Okowa una want make you go back to Senate. Na only Okowa dey for Delta North. The problem that we Okwane people are facing in Okwane land is that some Okwane people don't know where they belong in Nigeria. The language that we speak in Okwane land is supposed to tell those set of Okwane people that the right place for Anioma State to be is in the southeast. That the right place for Okwane people to be is in the southeast. Our culture and tradition, way of life, music, customs, belief system, everything is supposed to let them know that we Okwane people are expected to be in the southeast. But because some of them, they don't say they no one join southeast, say they want dey for south. Now why Okwane land dey backward so? The problem of some Okwane people is ignorance. And na that ignorance where some Okwane people dey, Okowa can't take am as an advantage to use Okwane people. As you don't know where you belong for the country, people wey get sense, where they play bad politics, they go use you. If you don't know yourself, you go just dey suffer for your life. Na so life just be. As big as Okwane land is so backward. Okwane land is something you cannot write home about. When we say backward, Okwane land is backward. In fact, the name to describe Okwane land is a failure. The whole Okwane land not get federal or state hospital. The whole Okwane land not get federal or state university. The whole Okwane land not get light for more than 20 years. The only job wey dey Okwane land na bike work or okada work. There are no jobs in Okwane land. No employment opportunities. Okwane land is so backward. Why is Okwane land backward? Because of the way some Okwane people reason. So many Okwane people don't know themselves. That is why Okwane land is backward. Those Eka, Oshimi and other people that are supporting Okowa against Senator Nedwoko, saying that they want Okowa to go back to the Senate 2027 and remove Senator Nedwoko because Senator Nedwoko is agitating for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. Una look for person where una want make you go represent una for Senate. E can't be Okowa. Okowa wey be say other politicians dey tell una say see money wey Okowa thief o, see wetin he steal. EFCC arrest am say he steal 1.3 trillion naira. That one no dey pay una. Wetin dey pay una well be say Anioma State wey they wan create, they wan zone am go southeast. So wetin dey pay una na una wan dey for south, no be southeast. The name south na im dey sweet una pass, even when we Anioma people are suffering. No be to get state be una problem, una own make we not join southeast. I call such people animals in human form. Some people suppose be animal, but they can't come life as human being. Criminal, now you dey campaign for to go back to the Senate. Now only animal go fit do such a thing. And when we say it now, some people go say, hey, you do the insult people. You dey describe person based on the character they talk say they insult people. If you go hospital, doctor can't check you, can't tell you say you get malaria. You get malaria, that's why they tell you say you get malaria. So if you no get sense, it's right for us to tell you that, bro, you don't have sense. Now mumu dey support Okowa. You need to be so stupid to support Okowa. People wey get sense not dey support Okowa. Okowa is not even campaigning with those things that he said that he have achieved. Instead, na Anioma State him take the campaign. They talk say Anioma State should be in the south. Anioma people don't want Anioma State to be in the southeast. Na that thing na Okowa take the campaign. Anioma State that will benefit the whole Anioma people. Now they take the campaign. Una still dey support Okowa. As those set of Anioma people, not mad people. Animals in human form. Their interest na make Anioma State not even become a reality to say that Southeast the one zone and go. If we Anioma people not get Anioma State join Southeast, we can't remain for this Delta State. How are we going to get Anioma States in the south? Southeast just give us slot, say make una come join us, we be one people. Una say no. Say na criminal Okowa now na dey support to go back to the Senate. If your state not good, people wey you suppose hold na local government, House of Reps members and your senators. These are the major people that you should hold accountable. But instead, the federal government dey expose Okowa. They tell us say Okowa not good o, Okowa buko ajamadu, Okowa buko onyoshi. EFCC don make us know say Okowa still 1.3 trillion. Oshiomole dey here, they tell us say Okowa still 330 billion naira. Yet some Anioma people are blind, they don't want to see what is happening. The same Okowa where they talk say na thief, now na dey campaign for to go back to the Senate. When Okowa na senator, when him be governor, wetin he do for we Okwane people, wetin he do for Oshimiri and Nyocha and the car people? What did Okowa do for us? If to so Okowa do anything for Okwane people, make you sure that what you do for Okwane land, make we see. Make you sure wetin you do for Oshimiri and Nyocha land, make we see. If you talk, some people go talk say, eh, he do university for Igbo people. University where he do finish, carry faculty of law and medicine, go keep for him own community. That thing dey pain Igbo people today. And that is why so many Igbo people are against Okowa. They don't want to make Okowa go back to the Senate. If you be a supporter of Okowa, like I said, you have to be stupid. You have to be a failure to be supporting Okowa. Some people just say, these people don't like Okowa. Now why they drag Okowa? They don't like us. Now why they insult us? See, as they say we not get sense. You get sense, you dey support criminal to go represent you for Senate. Nobody don't talk say Senator Nedwoko steal money. Yet na Nedwoko wey not steal money, all of them they fight against to remove am from Senate. All because he wants to give us Anioma State. Nedwoko won't give us a state. What are the benefits of a state? If we not get this state through Southeast, how are we going to get this state through the South? Look at the chances of actualizing Anioma State and zoning it to the Southeast, and look at the chances of actualizing Anioma State through the South. Which among them is possible? We can only actualize Anioma State through the Southeast and not the South. See Okowa wey get bad record. Okowa not supposed to dey run for any political office for this Anioma land again. Those Okwane people wey want make Okowa go back to the Senate, the major people wey want that thing na those people wey be say dem and Okowa don dey play politics since. If they go campaign finish, they go give them 100,000 to 200,000, 50,000, 10,000, 20,000. They go dey happy. Na that money wey dey enter their pockets they dey find, not be the betterment of Okwane land. Some people just dey greedy. Their own greediness na their own belle, not be for the interest of their people. In Anioma State, we will have 3 senators. We will have at least 6 to 9 House of Reps members. We will have more councillors. We will have more commissioners. We will have more local government chairmen. More local governments will be created. We will have more ministers. Infrastructures will be built in Okwane land, in Ika land, in Oshiomole, in Naija land. We will have good roads, good water supply, good medical health centers. Universities will be built in Okwane land, in Oshiomole, and in Naija land. Every region for this Anioma land go get their own university. All this thing are the benefit of Anioma State to we Anioma people. The southeast is the right place for we Anioma people to be. But because of that name southeast, you thought say no, say na south dey sweet you pass. South where we Okwane people don dey since 1991. Yet na so complain we dey complain. Since 1991, Okwane people never smile. Na so complain we dey complain for Okwane land. Hunger wan kill us o, suffer wan kill us o, bad road o, no water o, no health center o, no school o, no job o, no light o. Na so complain we dey complain for Okwane land. Why e be say those Okwane people wey dey support Okowa no wan get sense? Any Okwane person wey dey support Okowa na thief. Na thief dey support thief. Ndoshi akale no Okwane. If we not get Anioma State through Southeast, Anioma State will never be created. It will never be created because Okowa go dey for Senate. They make sure say if anybody just bring agenda to create Anioma State, Okowa not go gree. If we not get Anioma State through Southeast, then the dream of creating Anioma State is dead and buried because Okowa will never allow us to get Anioma State. And if slot come and say may they give South one more state, Anioma will never take that slot. Other people wey dey South wey dey find state go collect that slot. And with that, Anioma people have been enslaved forever by Okowa. The only thing wey go save Anioma people from Okowa na Senator Ned Nwoko and through Anioma State creation. Because once we get Anioma State, Okowa political career don die be that. Because for Anioma State, he no go fit occupy any political office because all the evil wey him do us when we dey for south go dey pursue am. Those evil go dey fight am. All those money wey him steal no go fit allow am occupy any political position. Even those politicians wey dey work with am, their political career don die. And na wetin all of them dey protest so by supporting Okowa to go back to the Senate, to enslave we Anioma people and be enriching their own pockets. Okwane people wake up. Oshiomhole, Anyocha and the Cow people wake up. Let's support Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that we get Anioma State. Anioma State is the only thing that we grow Anioma land. Anioma State is the only thing that we give we Anioma people everything we want. Anioma people wake up. Reject Okowa for Senate 2027. Senator Ned Nwoko is the right choice for we Anioma people to have a state and join our brothers in the southeast. A word is enough for the wise. Ishegware.